Hey everybody, Bobby your bartender here over at the Monocle. Check us out at themonoclestl.com. Today is going to be one of our requests. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of our signature cocktails, the Buzz Bonbon. Buzz Bonbon actually features two Missouri local spirits that we are proud to feature. The first one is going to be a great vodka by Purus, local company, great vodka distilled out of the hills of Italy. And the second one is going to be the Roastery, a cold brew coffee company that we're all fans of, and they come out with a really great espresso liqueur, Midnight Roastery, which you can get in regular and decaf. So if you see this out in the stores, definitely give it a look. It's great tasting stuff. So for this cocktail, actually, all you're going to need is just a shaker cup full of ice. And don't be shy with the ice either, because you want to get a good water mix in with this too. And what you're going to start with is a good 1.5 ounce pour of the Purus vodka. You're going to give yourself about a 1/2 ounce pour of the Midnight Roastery. We use the decaf for this one because it's a nighttime drink, and we don't want everyone staying up too late at night. Give yourself a good 1/2 ounce pour of dark creme de cacao. And about a 1/2 ounce pour of your favorite Irish cream. I like to use Five Farms. It's got a good sweet taste, a little bit less bourbony than the other brands. Now, what you want to be mindful of when you're using the Irish cream is you want to be really quick with the shake after you enter it into the cup so that you don't get a curdle. So let's get really quick on that real quick. All right. Give it a longer shake than you would with your normal cocktail because you want it to have a bit creamy and a good head on it. See how this comes out. Oh yeah. That right there is a beautiful Buzz Bonbon, if I do say so myself. Oh yes. Delicious and saucy, just like the Bonbons Burlesque Boudoir that we name it after. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you enjoy the cocktail, because I will definitely be enjoying this one, and I can't wait to serve these to you on the bar when we get our doors open again. But until then, stay safe out there, everyone, and we'll see you soon.